gentlemen, welcome to Newark, where the local time is approximately 22 minutes after 5 p.m. You're on East Coast time, and we'll continue to taxi for a few more moments. So please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until you are parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. That will be your only indication that it is safe for you to stand up and collect your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening your overhead bins, as contents may have shifted during our flight. If you are continuing on any other United Express, Continental, or any of our Star Alliance flights, we do ask that you check your departure monitors located inside the terminal building and proceed to your gate for boarding. For those of you that do not have any connections here in the Newark area, or if Newark is home or you don't have a tight connection, we do ask that you remain seated and allow those with connections to get up and out of the aircraft ahead of you. I know that they would appreciate it as much as the flight crew will appreciate it, because we do have a couple of tight international connections, and they're going out of another concourse because they are a continental flight. I do apologize, I was unable to get any connection information because even though we are in the attempt of merging with the airline, we don't have the capabilities of getting Continental's departure information at this time. Once again, if you do not have a tight connection, or if Newark is home, please stay seated and allow your fellow passenger with connections to get up and out of the aircraft in front of you. On behalf of your Chicago and Denver-based in-flight crew and your DCA-based cockpit crew, we certainly appreciate you flying with us today. We do know that you have a choice in air carriers, and we sincerely appreciate you choosing and flying United. Once again, we want to extend our apologies in regards to our delay leaving Chicago, and we certainly hope it has not messed up anybody's plans for this evening or this weekend. Once again, if Newark is home, welcome home. If you are continuing on, we wish you safe travels. Thanks and have a great day.